guys, welcome back to Abby's How To with me, Abigail. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Candy Mania ice cream. What you will need is the following ingredients. So here I go. Smarties. This is Maltesers. This is actually ice cream. This is chocolate chip cookies. This is the crunch. This is Oreos. And you can add whatever sweeties and whatever ice cream, whatever you have and whatever you want. So now I'm going to put this crunchy in a bag and smash it all up. Just open the bag. So here we go. Here I have all the pieces of the crunchy. And now just get some 2 Oreos and do the same thing. Here we go. And I'll close it the same. Just stamp. Finished. You can get a grown-up to do this part, because it might hurt your fingers and you might jam your fingers. So I've got them out of the way, and now the most important thing, ice cream. Yeah! So for this part, get whatever ice cream you want and get how many spoonfuls you want and get it in a bowl. Here. Whoa, it's a big spoonful of ice cream. Big spoonfuls of ice cream. I think that will be enough. So now I'm going to put the crunchy bits in all over the sides. Whoa. Whoa. Now I'm going to get some Maltesers and stick them in the ice cream. Okay. Now get some Smarties and sprinkle them all over. Okay. Now get the Oreo pieces and sprinkle them all over. Now get a cookie and break them in 2 and stick them in the ice cream. Whoa. So there you go. That's how you make a candy ice cream. And don't forget, you can use whatever sweeties and whatever ice cream you want. So tell me in the comments below what's your favourite ice cream, and don't forget to click my video. Bye bye!